Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Rio Mino Bridge, and that's the bridge straight ahead. Now this, as somebody pointed out, because it was stated that this would be the widest bridge in Jamaica by the NWA, which is the National Works Agency. However, somebody pointed out that this will be the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica, not the widest bridge, because many persons said the Harborview Bridge is wide and the Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. So I want to thank the subscriber for pointing that out. This is the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. So it is wider than the Harborview Bridge, but not as wide as the Causeway Bridge, because the Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. So that's the bridge straight ahead. Now this bridge is a part of Highway 2000, which is a highway. Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. So the Rio Mino Bridge is a part of the highway. It was recently built. The bridge is actually finished. You can see cars driving on it straight ahead. And it's part of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. So basically, when you come to the Maypen roundabout, which will be removed when the highway is finished, you get on this, go over this bridge, and it takes you to Mandeville. On the right, let's see if the camera can pick it up. There you go. All the way to the right is the Maypen bypass. So that bridge is much smaller compared to this bridge. And this highway, this section of Highway 2000 is scheduled to finish in June of 2023, June of this year. It was to be finished in March, but they have changed the date to June 2023. But the bridge is finished, and we have videos of actually driving over the bridge before they put up those barricades. And we also have drone videos of flying over the bridge to give you a very nice view of the bridge. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the bridge from another angle now. We're going to check it out from the side, so you can get an idea of just how large or how wide this bridge is. And that's the Maypen roundabout straight ahead. That is where Highway 2000 east-west leg currently ends, because you have Highway 2000 north-south leg that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and that section is finished. So straight ahead you can see the cars coming off the highway and coming up to the roundabout, and that's where the highway currently ends. But it will go all the way to Mandeville come June, and it will take 40 minutes to get from Kingston to Mandeville now. You really have to admire all the infrastructure that's being built in Jamaica, especially these highways. It has really helped travel time, because you can get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes now. It used to take over an hour and a half, and if you buck up traffic, or if there's an accident along the way, let's say through the Bogwalk Gorge or over Mount Russell, then it would take even longer. So the highways have made a huge difference, and this one will definitely make a difference as well. Alright, so this is another view of the bridge. It was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and it's a part of the Highway 2000 project. NWA is in charge of all the bridges in Jamaica, along with all the main roads. Alright, so that's the Rio Mino Bridge. And the bridge is finished because you can drive on it now. Just not open to the public as yet. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.